Good morning. Well, Aussie shares are eyeing a lift of 1.2% at the open if you go by the futures, despite global equities closing mixed on Friday amid simmering US-China tensions. On the commodity front, the oil price fell slightly but made green tracks for 4 straight weeks, settling at $33.25 a barrel, and demand for safe haven gold increased, and gold is settling at $1,736 an ounce. Elsewhere, the iron ore price nudged 0.2% higher to $91.42 as economies continue to reopen, with iron ore sitting in the neighbourhood of 2020 highs, which is great news for Fortescue Metals, BHP and Rio Tinto. Now, what to watch today? Well, China is seeking to impose national security law on Hong Kong, which threatens Hong Kong's future as a regional financial hub. Now, this will be huge news if it does occur, as the US has already threatened to retaliate with sanctions. So if that occurs as well, it'll likely increase market volatility, and defensive sectors like healthcare, staples and utilities will come back into favour and outperform as they have been over the past 10 years. Also keep an eye on gold and bonds. I'd also keep a close eye on US futures, as they're currently suggesting a positive open when Wall Street reopens this evening. But if China imposes the law on Hong Kong, keep an eye on the ASX 200, gear and bear holdings. Now, what else to watch? On the company news front, Eclipx is set to hand down their full year results. And for 2 local trading ideas, well, Bell Potter has upgraded NAB from a hold to a buy with a $17.30 price target, and that implies 12% yearly share price growth from its close of $13 or close of $15.32 on Friday. Now, if you look at NAB's business and private banking cash earnings, they were stable due to solid lending volumes, and its margin was steady as well, reinforcing its cost discipline and better impairment outcomes, and also higher asset productivity. Now, secondly, Australian financial group AFG issued over 12 million new shares onto the market following a recent capital raising. AFG has also recently been a short-term financial outperforming stock, and looking at Trading Central's charts, it's also showing more bullish signals for AFG. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.